Welcome back to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Research Sciences. The video written by Divya Porwal and presented by Megha Jain. Affinity chromatography is a technique of isolating a biomolecule from a mixture based on a highly specific macromolecular binding interchange between the biomolecule and other entity. The specific type of interchange relies on the biomolecule of attention are antigen and antibody. They are enzyme and substrate, receptor and ligand, or protein and nucleic acid. Binding interchanges are often exploited from withdrawal of several biomolecules. Affinity chromatography is helpful for its high selectivity and finding of divergence correlated to other chromatographic techniques. So the principle. The stationary phase comprises of a support medium on which the substrate is fringed covalently. In such direction, the reactive group that are crucial for binding of the target molecule are exposed. As the natural mixture of the substances is enacted through the chromatographic column, substances with crucial area for the parallelized substrate fix the stationary phase, while all other materials is eluted in the blank volume of the column. Once the other material are eluted, the set victim molecule can be eluted by methods such as comprising a fighting ligand in the mobile phase or altering the pH ionic strength or polarity condition. Now the components. First is matrix. The matrix is an inert constant to which a ligand can be directly or indirectly bonded. Second, there are certain characters of matrix: chemical and physical. Inert. It must be insoluble in solvents and shelters employed in the process. It must be chemically and mechanically safe. It must be easily bonded to a ligand or space limb onto which the ligand can be connected. It must show good flow properties and have a large surface area of extension. The most useful matrix equipments are agarose and polyacrylamide. Now, space arm. It is used to enhance coupling between ligand and target molecule by surviving any consequence of steric limitation. Then, ligand. It pertains to the molecule that compels reversibly to a certain target molecule. The ligand can be assigned only after the health of the macromolecule to be separated is recognized. When a hormone receptor protein is to be refined by affinity chromatography, the hormone itself it is an ideal nominee for the ligand. For antibody isolation, an antigen or hapten may be utilized as ligand. Steps in affinity chromatography. Sample is applied under circumstances that support specific binding of a target molecules to a corresponding bonding substances and can say a ligand. Target materials bind specifically but reversibly to the ligand and unbound material washes through the section. Elution is conducted specifically using a competitive ligand or non-specifically by changing the pH, ionic strength or polarity. Victim protein is collected in a purified reduced form. Affinity medium is re-equilibrated with compelling buffer. This event can be outlined into the following three main steps. The column is packed with solid support such as spherose, agarose, cellulose, etc. Ligand is assigned according to the desired recluse. Space arm is connected between ligand and solid backing. Loading of sample. Solution including a mixture of substances is spilled into the elution column and enabled to run an accountable rate. Elution of ligand molecular complex. Target material is regained by changing circumstances to favor elution of the fringe molecules. Applications of affinity chromatography. Affinity chromatography is one of the most helpful techniques for divergence and cleansing of specific crops. It is nearly a sample purification technique used primarily for natural molecules such as protein. Its major dressing includes separation of variety of compounds, removal of adulteration or in purification process. In enzyme assay, detection of substrates, investigation of crucial sites of enzyme. In vitro antigen antibody reaction, detection of single nucleotide polymorphism and modification in nucleic acids. Limitations of affinity chromatography. Time absorbing method. More quantities of mixtures are required, which may be costly. Non-specific adsorption cannot be totally abolished, it can only be underestimated. Limited availability and high cost of paralytic ligands. Proteins get denatured if compelled, pH is not modified. That's all for today's video. I hope you understand the techniques. So do like and share. Also you can comment if you have any doubt. Thank you. Have a nice day.